In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your past conversations in Perplexity. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap, so you can quickly revisit any previous chat and pick up right where you left off. First, open Perplexity. You can do this in your web browser or in the mobile app. The process is the same. Once Perplexity is open, we're heading straight to the library. Think of the library as your personal archive. It's where your sessions are neatly organized, so you don't have to dig around or remember exact dates. On desktop, you'll typically find the library in the sidebar. On mobile, it may appear in the bottom navigation or under a menu. If the interface looks a little different for you, don't worry. The label Library is what you're looking for. Inside the library, you'll land on the Recents tab. This tab shows your most recent conversations at a glance, making it the fastest way to get back to something you were working on earlier. You'll see each conversation listed by title or the first prompt, often with a timestamp, and sometimes a preview of what was discussed. If you have a lot of sessions, take a moment to scan the list. The most recent items are at the top, so the one you want may be just a scroll away. When you spot the conversation you want to revisit, click or tap it. That's all it takes to open the full thread. The entire exchange will load, including your original prompts and the responses that followed, so you can review context, confirm details, or continue the discussion. If your conversation had multiple turns, you can scroll back to see how the ideas evolved. This is especially handy for research, project notes, or multi-step reasoning you want to reference later. If the title or preview doesn't immediately jog your memory, look for familiar keywords, the date, or the topic that stands out. Consistent naming can help you recognize threads faster in the future. Also, staying in the Recents view ensures you're seeing the latest items first, which is ideal for ongoing work. Once the conversation is open, you're viewing your past conversation history, exactly as it was. From here, you can read through it at your own pace, and when you're ready, continue the chat from the same thread so everything stays in one place. That's it. Open Perplexity, go to the library, use the Recents tab, click the conversation you want, and your history is right there. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.